In this video, we'll learn how to join Plants vs. Brainrots Discord server. First, open Roblox and then search Plants vs. Brainrots. Then tap on Plants vs. Brainrot S server. Scroll down and tap on Discord. Move to the second method. Open Discord, tap on Add a server, then tap on Join server, then type Plants vs. Brainrots without giving a space. Tap on Join server. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks.